Hi, my name is Sam and I'm a dental hygienist here at Vivid Specialized Dentistry. I have over 13 years of experience caring for patients with advanced dental hygiene needs, including those with dental implants, crowns, dentures, and bridge work. I love helping my patients achieve and maintain exceptional oral health. Dental hygiene at Vivid. Vivid specializes in prosthodontics and periodontics. This means that with our advanced training and expertise, we can address intricate dental concerns focused on periodontal health or restorative dentistry. I personally work on many patients who have experienced significant tooth loss or that require comprehensive rehabilitation. Our main objective is to restore oral function, comfort, and appearance by utilizing advanced techniques and materials to achieve natural results. Why is dental hygiene important for implants? Since we specialize in prosthodontics and periodontics, many of our patients have dental implants. Dental hygiene plays a critical role in ensuring the long-term success of dental implants. Proper oral care prevents plaque and bacteria accumulation around implant sites, which can cause inflammation or more severe infections and bone loss, also called peri-implantitis. Without dental hygiene, complications may compromise implant stability and could result in failure. A consistent oral hygiene regimen, including thorough brushing, flossing, use of a water pick, and regular professional cleanings to protect both dental implants and the natural teeth. I can't emphasize enough the importance of meticulous hygiene as it maintains gum health and ensures the continued function of dental implants for years to come. How often should I see a dental hygienist? It is generally recommended for most patients to schedule professional cleanings with a dental hygienist every 6 months. However, those with dental implants, gum disease, or specific oral health concerns may require more frequent appointments, potentially every 3 to 4 months. Why choose a prosthodontist clinic for hygiene? Opting for a prosthodontic clinic for routine cleanings offers distinct advantages to patients with advanced dental restorations. We have specialized training in the maintenance and management of prostheses, and our expertise helps maintain the function, appearance, and integrity of dental work. Our goal is to help your natural and restored teeth last as long as possible. How does dental hygiene improve overall health? Excellent dental hygiene not only supports the success of dental implants, but also contributes significantly to your overall health. Effective oral care reduces the risk of gum disease, which has been associated with systemic conditions such as cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and respiratory illnesses. By managing oral bacterial levels and minimizing inflammation, patients can decrease the likelihood of these preventable health complications. Thanks for watching. If you're in the Edmonton area and looking for dental care, we'd love to see you at Vivid Specialized Dentistry here in Ambleside. You can book a consultation with Dr. Sumar or a hygiene appointment with me online at vividdental.ca. My name is Sam and we look forward to meeting you.